Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install custom fonts on Kali Linux step by step. So let's start. So, first of all, you have to download the font from the internet. Which font you want to install on Kali Linux. For the demo, I downloaded Prototype font. And Prototype font is free for personal use only. So simply click on download and save the file where you want to do it. I choose the default location. Now open your favorite terminal. Here, first of all, using this command, you have to update and upgrade your Kali Linux. Now go to the download directory using cd command. Now you have to extract the prototype.zip file. So using unzip command you can extract the prototype.zip file. Now we have to install the font manager using this command. Font manager is an application that lets you focus on tweaking the fonts on your Linux system. So open the font manager from the menu bar. Here in Font Manager, click on plus sign to add a new font. Go to the location and select the font you want to install. Now here you can check on user tab one font is installed by user. So this is our prototype font. And if you want to use Google font, simply click on the G button here and you can install any font from here. Simply select the font and download it to your Kali Linux. So now I want to change my terminal current font to Prototype font. Now here search for your font name. Now you can see Prototype font is available here, which means our new font is installed on Kali Linux. So that is it. This is the way how to install custom fonts on Kali Linux step by step. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.